Good afternoon, students of Research Project 2. I'm here to talk about some matters about our course, to remember you things about the process you are doing in this moment. As you might know, by consulting the different resources we have in the virtual room, in this course you are expected to systematize the whole research process. In the previous semesters you have been working in the pedagogical and research process, you have been implementing the research itself, and now you are expected to present the results, to systematize the data you gathered, and also present the final conclusions and implications of your research. For doing the data analysis, I have some recommendations. The first thing that you must do is to systematize the data within diagrams or charts so that you can organize it and you can do a better observation process in it. After you observe it, then you will find some emerging patterns. Those emerging patterns are those repetitive things that you can see in the different instruments and procedures used to collect data. Those repetitive patterns later will become subtopics or themes, and at the end they will be your final categories. As soon as you have those final categories, you must develop them following some steps too. First, you define the category. For that, you can consult authors, those authors that perhaps you cited in the literature review and that provide you some information on the issues of your research topic. After that, you present evidences from the different resources you gather data so that you really prove that that behavior or situation is present in your study. And then you can do some generalization, presenting your own points of view. Obviously, for doing that process, you have some resources in the virtual room. Please, you need to see them carefully. Besides, you have some PowerPoint presentations and links and websites so that you can guide your work with those studies. Additionally, you have some academic forums with some questions so that you need to participate, present your ideas, your points of view. Remember that it is necessary to have a cooperative learning process, and that can be by writing your comments, reading your partner's comments too, responding, asking questions, showing your wonderings and questions. That's a process of cooperative and collaborative learning. So that's all for now. I expect to have more participation in the virtual room, and I expect also to have your second draft more complete and following the parameters and the expected guidelines for the second draft. Thank you very much.